ating pong batas masanting, ating matsura, good rules and bad rules. Ating wise rules, atin mo namang nonsensical rules, at ating counterproductive rules. Aliwala-wala, pero basically classified lang mo rin into two. Datang bad rules. Definitely, itong bad rule niya, i-dismiss mo na i-dismiss mo. Whenever possible, it has to be discarded. No? In kaso na po ng maya rule o maya patakaran, nang kaya pwede meng balian. Nang kaya pwede meng paklian. Pwede kang dukong bagya. We call them make exemptions. Exemptions to the rule. Bakit? Huling even the wisest of legislators, peka magagaling, talagawang batas, dangan agyong kulungan o dangan agyong kuanan, detang marakal a konkretong sitwasyon, concrete situations, karanasan, na pwede mong ikabit kining metong mong batas o policy. Rules are always limited. Usually magagawa na rin batas, tandaan ng tamo, basic yung karanasan. Makibat na rin, bang kanita to put order on things. Ayan kaya ting panibagong karanasan, aning kaya ni akakwaning batas. Ayan kaya kailangan may i-bending batas. We call the amending batas. Bang kanita, magawain ni. Sometimes kailangan mo na yung paggawa, uling kailangan, anya kanta mo niya mo yamen, duling akakit mo, na magi makanining sitwasyon, huli na ning limitasyon na ning batas. Ngayon ating aliwang tao na talaga namang legalistic la. Nung nanong makasulat, yang tukyan. You cannot bend the rules. Objective la, absolutely objective, impartial, and they never bend the rules. At ang timong resulta na ng polisiya ngayon madalas makapanasakit la. Makapanasakit lang tao. At maging mabayad siya tuloy ining batas ang may gawa. It becomes a hardship to other people. At yun naman naliwang tao na sagli bending rules. Sige, pwede na mo rin. Ito mga kanyan. At yung taong, we call them lax. Lax in a sense na pabustanda na mo. Yes, there is a law, pero patse ating kamburiyo, sige, paborehan mo na mga kanyan. Then yung tao nga rin they lack the strength of character. Naman, lalang sikadan, tang karakter da. Di na niyang ipan ng batas ka rin aliwa. O madalas, mekad mismong ining executor ng batas, di aintin dyan, itang purpose na nitang batas. Nung kasing may akwa, itang pekas reason, o may gawa yung batas, malagwa may i-bend ini. That's true. Anyabin, kailangan bakit may gawa yung waring batas ay ni? Para nanuya ini. Ano kaya nga alwa, uling edi aintin dyan ita, malagwa yung paklian yung batas. Anya itong makanyana ka man, haphazard ka niya, it leads to confusion. Kasi, nano talaga? Ayning batas, kaya mapaklian me, o ba't ating pambatas? So, there's confusion and tension when it comes to the law. Now, obviously, ang timong Kristiyano, we cannot follow either. Tamo pwedeng, bilang Kristiyano, tamo dapat maging rigid o legalistic. Tamo mo naman kailangan maging lax. King pamanupad, king batas. Yung problema kanyang kini, when, mag-bend ka pero when do you bend the law? When do you bend the rule? And make an exception? Kaya mong kay katamang Ebanghelyo, din na nakatanga limbawa ni Ginong tamong Jesu Kristo. Ano ka rin, papawagan na kay katamo, Nya miris sa kitang sitwasyon masakit. Ne? Tuturuan na nakatamo, dala nakatamo kitang criteria na nitang migunam ka. You discern. You discern. Before you make a decision. You discern before you make a decision. Klaro yat, simple mo itang kriterion. Ning gigawa na ning ginutamang Yesu Kristo. Na ing Sabat, may gawaya para king tao, at aliwaing tao, may gawaya para mo king batas. No. It's always the human who is above the law. Kasi nga may gawala naman ding batas rin for the common good of people. Basically, no rule is about an absolute rule. Actually, purpose na yan to guide people. It's for the betterment of the people. It's the betterment of the welfare of the people. Panay makanyan. The needs of the people. What to? Ing lelanganan ng yato ni nga pong Ginoo, lelanganan ng yato ni nga pong Ginoo. Pero all of this, balutamo, the greatest and the greatest creation, the greatest creature that God created in the world, pinita mo. Kita mo itang peka matas daily. Kareneng lelangana, kingyato. Anyapin, makanya niya, over and above, ita mo yung panenang yuna, ni nga pong Ginoo. And this is the reason why, in-explain na kaya katamo, may mayang sitwasyon, nung ka rin, andyan pang bawal, gawan niya ni kisabat, pero gustong ingkapakanan ng tao, yung makasalayle, maglele at magleleya, yung batas, para una ni ingkapakanana ng tao. Nung inimbatas ay ni magligyak ng kapahamakan ng tao, ilele mo nepin man, bangkanita, save me ining tao. That's precisely the point. And that's the time when you try to bend. It requires discernment. It requires reflection. Bangketa, kami paparoro. And you have justification. At in one way or the other, no sakali may ka-president sada, you can always explain why you led to this kind of decision. And the law remains. Agawa may ini because of this. But the law remains. Makaniniya pa mo rin. At least alang sakitan loop later on kitang gawa mo. And people would understand. And you will be absolved because of what you did. Mupin, anya dapat itang pablubulusok. Porque batas siya. Panigaralan may itang sitwasyon na babalot ka din eh. Pota naman masyado yung matapang because of certain situations that is happening on the application of it to this certain situation and person. Kanya pwede ming paklian bagya, umunta ka kitang win and win situation. Bangkanita, alang may paparoro, alang malalabag. But more importantly, gusto yung sinabi ni nga pong Ginoo, human welfare, no? Human need is over and above any law. Uling gewado ring batas para mo naman kay katamo. Amen.